Here's one for you, and vanilla pop for you, and an ice cream sandwich for you, a chocolate cup, and another 20.
Hey, what are you doing?
Stealing your truck.
Yeah, we'll bring it back.
Come on.
Oh, ice cream too. No. You turn that off? Oh, sorry. No ice cream for you today. Gotta go. Gotta get back to Good Bird. Oh. Good Burger's about to open, man. We gotta get there and make sure nobody eats that poison sauce. Man, they're gaining on us. Whoa, ice cream cones. Look, I got Funky Pops, Monster Sickles, and Lemon Juice Pops. Ed, this is no time for frozen treats, all right? Yeah, wait. But give me one. Oh, here you go. Let's.
What was that?
Huh.
I think it's a fudge-sickle.
Give me some more. Get out of here. Yeah. Oh, have some vanilla. Oh, take that. Oh, a little bit of that. Oh, have some raspberry sorbet. Oh. Oh, how you like me now? I'm a dude. Oh, an ice cream. Oh. There's vanilla. Yeah, take some chocolate. Yeah. Fudge. Oh, yeah, there you go, baby.
Oh. Yeah, they're gonna have you on this old homie. Huh?